Hey guys, it's Margaret with Sassy Southern Shopper Mom. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing what I eat in a day times 2 with you. So I was doing a little bit of filming earlier. So if you've ever seen any of what I eat in a day, you know that my go-to breakfast is a Premier protein shake. I have a really bad habit of forgetting to put them in the fridge the night before, or even putting them in the fridge like in general. So I just take a cup, put some ice in it, and then pour my protein shake in on top. So that is what I have right now. So I am drinking my Premier protein shake. It is, let me see what time it is. Oh, it's 9:15. So I'm about to go get my girls up and get them going for we can get our homeschool day started. I want to make sure we get started by definitely by 10 o'clock for sure. So I'm gonna finish up my protein shake while I get them up, but I just want to bring you along and show you what I'm eating. I am really trying to stay low carb keto, and when I do keto, I try not to get my fat from bad stuff. Like, I have been eating lots of avocado. I am not a big plain avocado eater, so I am mixing it in with stuff like mixing half avocado in with a salad just so I can get those good fats so that my macros for my fats stay up. But so far it's been doing good. I have lost 7.7 pounds or something. I've lost, let's just forget the point stuff. I've lost 7 pounds in the last week. I know that's going to slow down because this is week 2. So if you want to see some of my keto stuff and low carb eating that I do, this is the video for you. But let me quit rambling. Let me finish my little protein shake. Again, this is the chocolate Premier protein shake. It's only 2 carbs, net carbs. So I'm going to finish this, get my girls up, and then I will see you back at lunchtime. Okay, so it is 12:20, so time for some lunch. So I'm just gonna show you what I'm having for lunch. So I am just gonna use up the rest of this 50/50 Organic Girl salad mix. It's a spring mix with baby spinach, I think. Yeah, all this to fit. So just a little small side salad. And then I am going to add some bacon bits on top. Just going to kind of eyeball it. So just a little bit of bacon bits. And then I am going to put some Ken's Steakhouse Ranch dressing on top. And this is just like a little side to go with my meal. Don't need a lot of salad dressing. And then these 2 containers are some leftovers from last night, so I'm going to open it up and show you what it is. We have some Brussels sprouts that I fixed up. We love Brussels sprouts. They're sticking together because I put a little shredded cheese on top, so that's why it's sticking together. And then in this container, I just have some leftover steak. So that is going to be my lunch, and I'm just going to heat it up. And I might put a little cheese in my salad. I'm not sure yet. So while that food is heating up, I'm just going to also tell you that I have already drank one of these cups today, and this holds 3 8-ounces of water. So I've already drank one of these of water, and I'm about halfway done with this one. So when I get done with this, I will have drank 6 8-ounces of water already today. So I like to drink one between breakfast and lunch, one between lunch and dinner, and usually I already start on a 3rd one by the time dinner time rolls around, and then after dinner I finish up my 3rd one. But this is cooking and heating up, and that is pretty much what I'm having for lunch. I don't think I'm gonna put cheese on my salad like I mentioned a minute ago I don't think I am, because there's cheese in that Brussels sprouts. Carb wise for this meal, I would say maybe 4 or 5 carbs, because the majority of my carbs are going to come from my Brussels sprouts, which is full of fiber. So net carb wise, maybe 5 carbs. So let's have lunch. Doesn't that look so good, y'all? The Brussels sprouts and the steak, yummy. Okay guys, so it's 3:22 in the afternoon. Sorry about the dog barking, but our lawn is being cut right now. But I'm just gonna have a Atkins caramel chocolate nut roll bar as a little snack. I'm in the middle of doing some schoolwork, so I want a little sweet treat. So I'm gonna have this. It's 3 grams of net carbs, and then later I will be showing you eventually what we have for dinner. We might go out for dinner. It'll be our first time going out to dinner, maybe. I don't know if we are or not yet. If we do, I'll share that with you. If not, then we'll be eating home. But this is my snack. Alright guys, so this is cup number 3. I'm going to be sipping on this while I take the kiddos out to play. It is 5:50, so we're going to play for a little bit real quick, and then we'll come in and we will do dinner. Alright guys, I'm going to show you what I'm having for dinner, and obviously by seeing this you know that we did not go out to eat anywhere. We stayed home to eat, so let me show you what I had. Or what I'm having, I should say. So I have one of these Carb Balance wraps. And it is only 4 net carbs. And then I already have that on my plate. And I'm going to put some baby spinach on it. Not a whole bunch because this is not a huge wrap. And then I'm going to put a slice or 2 of avocado. Because I don't like it by itself, really.
Mommy, let's add to something.
Okay, so that's my second piece. So some spinach, some avocado, and then I made up this huge thing of tuna so that we can have this tuna salad so we can have some for later. So I'm just gonna add some of that on top of this, and that is gonna be my dinner. And then we'll have leftover. And this dinner is probably only about maybe 8 carbs, if that. The carbs is really just coming from the wrap, the spinach, and the avocado. In here I do have like a little bit of sweet relish, but not a lot. Just for a little bit of like a pickle flavor. And then I have egg and then seasonings, which none of those had carbs that I put in here. So that's my dinner. Hello and good morning guys. It's day 2 of what I eat in a day. And I have Premier Protein again. It's like my go-to. I am not super hungry in the morning, and that is just what I go to. And then I've actually already started on my cup of water. So this holds 3 8-ounces, so I have that as well. I think I ended up drinking a whole nother cup last night. So I drank 12 ounces of water yesterday, or sorry, 12 cups of water yesterday. So but I just want to get on here and share real quick that I've got my protein drink for this morning, and I have my water. And sorry about the lighting, I feel like I'm looking a little yellow, but oh, there, it changed back. I don't know what's up with the lighting and my camera. But anyhow, Premier Protein drink and some water, and I will come back and share with you later what I have for lunch. Okay guys, I'm not feeling that great. I don't know if just looking at the computer screen just messed with me a little too much, but it is 1:05 in the afternoon and I'm going to get some lunch. I'm going to do another one of these tuna salad wraps. So I've got a Carb Balance wrap. I'm going to put some spinach, a few slices of avocado, and then my tuna mixture on here. So I'm going to get that done. Just doing a quick little...
Oh, you making me lunch too? Oh, you're so sweet.
Lunch as well.
Is that tuna fish?
Yep.
Oh, buddy. Looks so yummy. I haven't had tuna fish in a while. Good luck.
Alright guys, so we are starting to get our dinner ready, and we've got some broccoli. This pot isn't hot yet, that's why I'm touching it. We've got some broccoli with a little bit of salt and some Mrs. Dash, and then I've got some green beans with some bacon bits and a little bit of salt in it, and these are frozen green beans, so yummy. And then we've got some steaks on the grill. So we've got some steaks on the grill. These will last us all weekend for our meals, and I'll take a bunch and meal prep it for my lunches at work over the weekend. But this is what we're going to be having for dinner, so I will show you when it's all done. Alright guys, dinner is done. We've got some steak, green beans, and broccoli. Alright guys, so that is everything that's on my plate for dinner tonight. I only got 2 of these in, and there's actually still water in here from the second time I filled it up. So I need to fill it up one more time before I can get cups 7, 8, and 9 in today, so I can stay nice and hydrated. But I hope that you like this keto, low carb, what I eat in a day ×2. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.